أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. This lecture is about how to round off the values, the numbers, and about the significant digits. So these are the exercises basically. And if you watch this video carefully, you will understand the basic concepts of rounding of the values of the digits and the significant and non-significant digits. So let me share you this tutorial, and then inshallah we are discussing this with examples. How many significant figures does each quantity have? Significant figures mean significant digits. So the first one is 107. If you look at this quantity, there are 3 significant digits. The reason is this 0 is considered to be significant because it's sandwich. It is between the two non-zero digits. So there are total 3 significant figures. 10700, if there is no decimal before centimeter, means 1, 2, and 3. 107 are considered to be significant, whereas the rest of 2 are considered to be non-significant digits. So there are 3 significant digits. In number 3, 1270, if there is no decimal, then this 0 is considered to be a non-significant 0, and there are 3 significant digits. 12703, there are 5 significant figures because this 0 is a sandwich one. It is between the two non-zero digits. 1060809, all these zeros which have come that you see in this quantity are sandwiching the two non-zero digits, like 0 between 1 and 6, 0 between 6 and 8, and 0 between 8 and 9. So all these digits are said to be significant digits, and there are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 significant digits. 10407000, if there is no decimal point before centimeter, then these 2 zeros are considered to be non-significant, whereas the rest of the digits, including these zeros, are considered to be significant. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits are significant, where these 2 zeros are non-significant. 10407005, all the zeros and non-zero digits are considered to be significant figures because all the zeros are sandwiching. They have come in between the two non-zero digits. 100000002, all these zeros are considered to be significant zeros, and the total number of significant figures are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So there are 9 significant figures in this quantity. 1000000 and 000, if there is no decimal, then all these zeros are considered to be non-significant, and there is only one significant figure, that is 1. 0.13070, all these 2 zeros and 3 non-zero digits are considered to be significant, whereas the leading zeros or the initial 0 is considered to be non-significant. So there are 5 significant digits or 5 significant figures. 1.07000, as these zeros and non-zeros digits come after the decimal, so these are considered to be significant figures, and there are total 1, 3, and 2, 5, and 6 significant digits. 0.0007, all these zeros are initial zeros, leading zeros, so they are considered to be non-significant. There is only one significant figures. 22.0000, all these zeros come after the decimal, so they are considered to be significant zeros, and there are 6 significant figures. 0.0000 and 0, all these 6 zeros are considered to be non-significant or insignificant figures. Only 9 is the significant one. 1.0400700, all these are considered to be significant, as these zeros come after the decimal. 10.407005, all these are considered to be significant, including the zeros. 10.407005, 100.0000020, all these non-zero digits and zeros are considered to be significant because these zeros come after the decimal point. 100, 000, and then 000, 0.0, all the zeros and 1 are considered to be significant. 100, 000, 000, and then 000, all these 000, 000, 000, and 00 are considered to be insignificant because there is no decimal point and there is only one significant figures. 9 to 6.9 have significant figures. 700 have significant figure. 123.0 are significant. 0.0402 have how many significant digits that you have. So in the first one, we have 4 significant figures. In the second one, we have 3. In the third one, we have 5. In the fourth one, we have 1, 2, 3. 3 significant figures, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this, we have 5 because this 0 is non-significant and these 2 zeros are also non-significant. 338.00, these zeros come after the decimal, so there are 5 significant figures. Now, rounding of the numbers to 3 significant digits. Now, look at the first one. If you look at this first one figures, and you want to up to 3 significant figures. 3 significant figures mean 1, 2, and 3. So you have to, if you round it up 3 significant digits after the decimal, then you have to come up to 2. Now consider this, the first one. The first one is 4, it is less than 5. So you will delete the 4 and it will become 8.682. But if you want to have only 3 significant digits, significant figures, including the figures at the left of the decimal, then you have to remove these 2. And if there is any, you have to consider the second one. 12.84. So 12.84, you have up to 3 means up over here. You have to delete the fourth one. Over here, you have to delete the second one because if you go up to 3 significant digits, including the digits that is the right or left of decimal, then you have to delete the 2 and 4. So consider the 2. If it is less than 5, then you have to delete it and remain the rest of the digits unaltered. So it will become 8.68. And the second one, 1, 2.8 up to 8. So look at this digit. This is 4. And if it is less than 5, you have to delete it and remain all the 3 digits unaltered. So it will become 12.8. And this one, you have to delete the 2. It is less than 5. So it will remain unaltered 4.16 and you have to delete 2. 3.339. Consider the last one digit up to the last one digit, because you have to go up to 3 significant digits. So you will remain 3.33 and you have to delete the 9 one. 9 is more than 5. So you have to delete and increase 3 by 1. So it will become 3.34. 5.558, you have to delete the 8 one because you have to keep the rest of the 3 significant digits. As the 8 is more than 5, so you will delete it and you will add 1 into 5. So it will become 5.56. 2.635. Now you have to delete this 5 and you have to see whether the next digit is an odd number or an even number. And accordingly, if it is an odd number, you have to increase by 1. If it is an even number, you have to remain it unaltered. So 3 is an odd number. You have to increase it by 1 and delete the 5. So it will become 2.64. 7.825 is the 5. After the deletion of 5, you cannot increase 1 in 2. The reason is it is an even number, so it will remain unaltered and it will become 7.82. Rounding of the following number to 4 significant digits. The 4 significant digits will be 32.21. Now consider this one. If it is 7, so it is more than 5, you have to add 1 into 1. It will become 32.22. And 937.05002. So if you want to, you have to remove all these 3 digits up to 4. And 937.05 will remain as 4 significant digits. 10.0035999499. Now you have to remove all these digits and you have to lift it unaltered. 10.00. 910035999499, and you will keep it 91.00, and you have to delete the rest of the 7.007 0000455. This will remain 7.000. 22250000 and 1. So it will become 22.25. Rounding up 35 to the nearest 10, it will become 40. Rounding up 243 to the nearest 10, it will become 240. 240. You have to delete this one. You have to delete this one. 24 and 0. Rounding up 439 to the nearest 100, and that will become 400. The reason is, if this digit is less than 5, you have to remove this one, and this 39 is replaced by 00, so it will become 400. Rounding up 84.5, and it will become 85. The reason is, this digit is 5, so you have to increase 1 in this, and you have to delete the others, so it will become 85,000. Rounding up 16.44 to the nearest 1000, and it will become 16,000. The reason is, these digits are less than 500. Mean the last digit, the third one digit from the right side, it is not 5. It is less than 5, so you have to remove all the digits, and it becomes 16,000. Rounding up 739, it will become 700, because 39, in 39 the 3 is less than 5, so you cannot convert it into 750. It will become 700. 7777, it will become 7,800 is 7,800. You have to remove this one. You have to remove this one and add 1 in this. 7,800 to the nearest 100. To the nearest 100 means this one. To the nearest 100. Rounding up 2399 to the nearest 1000, and it will become 2,400. 2,400 is, it is one number less than 400. Rounding up 19519 to the nearest 10, to the nearest 10, this one, to the nearest 10. This is nearest 1000. So this figure is included, the 1000. You have to delete it. So you have to delete it and increase 1 in this, and then this. You have to delete this, and this will become 2,400. Rounding up 1951 up to the nearest, this one, the 5, the 10, and it will become 19500. 1 is to be removed. Rounding up 4320 to the nearest 10. So 10 over here is 2. It will become 4,300. As the 2 is less than 5. Rounding up, so you cannot add anything in it, and it cannot become 4,400. It will remain 4 to the nearest 10. So 10 is this one. You have to delete this one. So whenever you want to delete this one, you have to remove the 7. And when you remove the 7, it is more than 5. So you will remove 7, and you will increase 2 by 1. It will become 4,330. Round of 636 to the nearest 100. In 100 we have 6. You have to remove the 6 and the 3, because it is less than, the 3 is less than 5, so it will become 600. Rounding 4351 to the nearest 100, and it will become A's to the nearest 100. So it will become 4400. A's 5 will increase 1 in the 3, and it will be deleted, so 4300. So this is all about, you might have learned something about it.